Welcome to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. My name is Rose, and today I want to teach you a technique, not a whole project, just a technique, and that is how to use brick stitch, circular brick stitch, as an embellishment technique for things like these embroidered cabochons. Literally, what I'm going to show you is this little edge bit right here. And normally I would use tiny little beads like this and like this, but because I really want you to know what it's going to look like, I'm going to use these great big monster beads. Yay! So you can actually see what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you on this beautiful cabochon that was already embroidered, and I saw it didn't have an edge, and I thought I will show people how to put on the edge. Now this thing has been embroidered on a piece of lacy stiff stuff, and then a piece of leather was put on the back of that. And then it was trimmed just perfectly for this cabochon and this embroidery. Now, let's show you how to finish it all off. So I still have a piece of thread sticking out of here from when it was being embroidered, but you could add a piece of thread if you needed. And like I said, I would normally use these itty bitty beads. Itty bitty beads. But I want you to see. So I'm going to use these beads. To start this off, you're going to pick up 2 beads and whip them all the way down here to the end of my thread. There you go. And then I'm going to come around the back of this cabochon and go up through both layers, through the leather and through the lacy stiff stuff, and come out outside of these gold beads. And this is a little tough to go through leather like this, so frequently I'll want to use a thimble to help push that through. This one actually kind of came through my gold, but that's okay. It's going to look just fine. Pull these tight. Now that is not the way I want them to go. I want them to go side by side. So I have to teach them to go side by side. And I'll do that by going back through the second one right here. And that will pull it right up side by side, like that. Now this one is not very stable yet because it has nothing stitching it in. It's just stitched next to this first one. But as we go all the way around the cabochon and come back to this one, we'll get that one in place really well. Add another bead. Go through the front of this, and the spacing is 1 bead away from the previous bead. Push that through. Give it a pull. And go right back up through that same bead. That holds it in place. We start making this circle all the way around. Again, add a bead, go through both layers of stuff, pull it all the way through, go back up through the same bead. And that's going to line everything up. And one of the nicest things when I first started doing this, it was so funny. I'd watch other people who'd done this far more than I had, and the backs of their pieces look so perfect. And I thought, how do they stitch like that? Well, the reason why is because you've got these perfect beads being your spacers for you, so that you make your stitches nice and even and tight and pretty. Now look at the back of this. Look at these stitches. Don't those look perfect and tight and everything? I am not perfect in any way, shape, or form, but it's because you've got those beads already there being a spacer for you that make that so possible. And this is really a crowning touch on any of your bead embroidery, is to do this circular brick stitch embellishment to do the edge of your piece. And that's it, folks. When you get all done with it, you will end up with something that looks like those tiny little earrings I showed you earlier. I'll show you what it looks like also with the small beads. Give you one more stitch here. And of course we would go all the way around, and when we come back, we get that first bead that's just a little bit wonky. We'll get that one tightened in too. So that's what the back of this looks like. Isn't that great? And look at these little guys. Same thing. They're tiny little stitches there. They're lining up these delicate beads just perfectly. And that's it, folks. That's how to put a circular brick stitch embellishment on the edge of an embroidered cabochon. Thanks for joining me. My name is Rose. If you want to see this technique and many, many others, go to firemountaingems.com. Thanks for joining me. Happy beading.